Alright, so you got the TV box there right here. First thing you want to do is just open it up like this and take it out. That's the box. And you're going to notice some other things here, which is a HDMI wire, the outlet plug. You want to hook that. So you want to take the outlet plug and you want to plug it to the back of the box right here. So it's in. Then you want to take this part right here, plug it into an outlet. When you plug into the outlet, it's going to light up with a blue light like this, as you can see. Then you have to take the HDMI wire, which is this wire right here, turn your TV set around and find the HDMI plug where it can plug into. So you just plug it into an HDMI port. Your TV might only have one, some TVs have two or three. Right now mine is plugged into HDMI port right here, this one right here. Okay. You want to turn your TV back around to face you. This. Just like that. Okay. Now what you got to do is find your TV's remote to your TV like this, and you want to find the input button on your TV's remote and press. Okay, so you see on the screen. See if I can get a closer look at the screen itself. Okay. Now make sure the HDMI plug is plugged in. Okay. So we're going to make sure the HDMI that's in the back of your TV is plugged into the box correctly, like this. So you take this plug right here, turn the smart TV box around, and you just plug it in like this. So it looks like that. See? Now you have the wall outlet plugged in, HDMI plug plugged in, and the other end of it is plugged into the back of your TV in the HDMI port. You see a blue light glow like that. That means that it's on and it's ready. Then, after you got those things done, you want to take your TV's remote control and find the input button on it. And then you see on the screen, you can see here, which will show you, to get a better zoom in of that. So you saw that it was on HDMI too. So I found the HDMI port on my TV right here. And I highlighted it and clicked it, and then now the main screen. This is what you should see with the smart TV box plugged in. This is called the home screen. Okay. Next you want to do is take the remote control right here. You gotta open it up. Let's see if I can get it back a little bit. Okay, open it up. Put the batteries in. Use fresh AA batteries. AAA, sorry. Fresh AAA batteries. Put the top back on. Make sure you get it in. Do it very carefully so you don't break it. Very delicate piece of plastic right here. Bam, it's in. Now, you want to use this round button right here to maneuver on the home screen right there. So, in order to move right, I'm using the click mode. See how I was highlighting? Every time I click to the right side of this round button, everything will highlight. Now I'm moving around. Up, I'll push the top to move up. Down button, down. First thing you want to do is go to where it says settings. This one right here in the blue looks like a cog machine wheel. Let's get a close up of that. That one that says settings. You want to highlight settings. Click it. When you click settings, you want to go to networks. You see it's highlighted here. It popped up. You hit the center of the blue button right here when you get to networks. That says OK. And right here you can see that my Wi-Fi is already connected. But what you do if it's not connected is you highlight where it says Wi-Fi connected, and it'll show you all the Wi-Fi in your area here. What you got to do is click on to which Wi-Fi is yours. Wireless internet is yours. When you click on it, you just type in your password. Once you type in the password, you'll see the words connected on your screen right there. And then once you do that, you hit this button right here in the upper left corner of the blue circle. This is the home screen button. This button right here. I'm going to move back a little bit so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I hit my home screen button, which is this button right here in the upper left hand corner, and I'm going back to home screen. Now once your Wi-Fi is connected, you're ready to go. Settings and everything, and you made sure you went to settings and you connected your Wi-Fi, typed in your password, and you got the message on the screen that says it's connected. Now you're ready to go. The button in the upper left hand of the blue circle is the home screen. You just click that button and you arrive at the home screen. First thing after that, you got your Wi-Fi is all connected. You can scroll up to the top where it's highlighted and type in your city where you're at, and it will show temperature and everything. And you can also go back to the settings button and add the correct date and time. The box will not function unless it has correct date and time, so make sure you put that in when you go back to settings. Okay, now we're ready to roll. We got the settings hooked up, we got the date time connected, and we have your Wi-Fi password, and you have received a message on the screen that it is connected. You can see the power of the Wi-Fi signal in the upper left hand. Now we're ready to begin accessing the apps, also known as applications on the screen that you can use to receive stream wirelessly free TV. Okay, first one I'm gonna show you is called Showbox. This one right here, it's orange, it's highlighted. I'm going to zoom in on it so you can see it better, what it is. There it is. It's called Showbox. I'm going to click the middle button to open it up. Okay, Showbox is opened up. I'll show you how to use this. This is Showbox. What you want to do is navigate. Now, the button in the lower left, which is this button, right here, you can switch from click mode to mouse mode. So click that button, and when you click it, you will notice this. The mouse appears on the screen, and you can move it around with the round button like this. See, it's moving to the right. Now it's moving to the left. So you want to move up into the upper left-hand part of the screen, where you will see these lines up here. These little white, 3 little white lines up there. You get it up there. This application is called Showbox. So you get on there, then you click the middle button, the middle of the button that says OK. And now you get an option. What do you want to see? Trending. You want to see movies, TV shows, news, trailers. You just scroll down. For example, if you want to see movies, you click movies. Now you can see all the new movies that are available for you to view. And you can go back to click mode, scroll down, scroll up and down and search for what you want. See how it's going down? So in case, let's just say for example you want to see this movie over here, which is called The Hitman's Bodyguard. This one right here. I'm going to highlight this movie by going back to the mouse mode by clicking the button right here to the lower left of the blue navigation circle. So the mouse is going to reappear on the screen. Boom. Then once I aim the mouse onto this, I'm going to click. Right here you're going to be given an option. Ooh. Sometimes you're going to see commercials like this pop up. You go back into mouse mode. What you do, then you click the X in the upper right part of the screen, which is right here. I'm going to show you. Okay, you see the X right there. You can X out of this commercial advertisement by making the mouse go up to the X and clicking the OK button. Boom, it's gone. Now you get an option of what type of quality you want to see for this movie right here. Hitman's Bodyguard, and right here I got it on 720p, and this app is made for various devices, so your TV is either going to be probably 720p or 1080p, so you have to use the 720p. Now I'm clicking the Watch Now button, the OK, just to give you an example of how the movies play on here. Now you see how fast that is? This movie started immediately, less than 10 seconds the movie started. Save yourself more than $3,000 a year by streaming all your favorite shows, TV shows, movies, news, sports, entertainment for free with the Android Smart TV box. You see the quality? Very good. Okay, now I'm going to hit the home screen button. As you can see, it's good quality. Okay, home screen button, boom. Now I'm going to show you the next application. I'm still having it in mouse mode. I'm going to move on to Mobdro. One of my favorites. This one right here looks like a house where the little mouse is pointing at. That's called Mobdro. Clicking on OK button. Boom. It's opening up. What is MobDraw? I'm gonna show you what it is and how it works. Okay, MobDraw is open now. So you can take the small button on the lower left part of the screen, click it to return back to click mode, and you can scroll left and right. See how they highlight? When I push the right side of the round button, it highlights that way. So what it does is you have an option. You have right here. It says you have watch different channels. Okay, this one says channels, news, TV shows, movies, sports, music, gaming, and animals. Let me give you a brief example of what it's all about. Okay, I got it on channels now, highlighted. I'm gonna hit that OK on channels. So this is an option of what you get. Look, all is free. You see that? This is how you get HBO, like I was telling you about. AME, USA, AME, Spike channel. Let's check out Spike.
Q vapor system for yourself, risk-free. We're confident you'll agree that Q is a better way to enjoy.
So this channel is being streamed live right now.
Sacrificing satisfaction or dealing with the problems of e-cigarettes or traditional vaping.
It's a commercial. It's like almost 7 in the morning right now. So you're looking at commercials. A lot of commercials on this channel. I'm well at this time of day. Okay, let's go back. Now you don't want to go all the way back to the home screen. You really want to hit this button in the upper right, which is the return button. Return back to the last page you were on. I'm going to tap it now. Now I'll go to, let's see, what else on the channel. One of my favorite TV channels on here is BET. So I hit BET, the OK button.
In the early 80s, two guys were born. Their names were Jeff and Andy. They grew up, developed facial hair, and one day, while buying razors, they wondered, why do razors cost so much? Jeff and Andy were confused, so they started their own razor company. They even bought a factory in Germany.
They bought my factory.
Jeff and Andy started to make razors that looked like they were designed on Earth, not in space. And by selling
Wow,
everything to
okay.
you on the internet, Harry's can offer a
Go back one
quality
step. So you see you can watch news, you can watch TV shows, you can watch movies, sports, music, gaming, stuff about animals, high tech. You could even listen to podcasts, spiritual channels, and others. And you can go up and just select from the recent things right here. Shows you what you recently just watched. Okay, that's called this app. It's called MobDraw. Okay, I'm gonna get out of that real quick. Go back to the home button. Boom. Home page button. Then you have Cloud TV. Same thing. Stream cable channels from all over the world. I'm hitting Cloud TV. When you go to Cloud TV, you want to select free channel. And there you go again, even more options for you. Go down, look at all these options you have. Going back so you can see the screen. Several options. This is entertainment. These are cable channels from all over the world streaming. There's literally hundreds of them going up. And we'll try one of them. That one's called, this one is called Diva, showing a comedy right now. Then I'm gonna go back. Boom. Let's see, how about, this is called HBO HD, stream live. So you can see you got HBO HD, you got HBO Signature, you got HBO 2 HD, you got Fox Action Movies, you got On the left side of the screen, you could choose movie, news, sports, entertainment, generic, cartoons, documentary, and others. You have several choices. All those cable channels free. Exit. Boom. Okay, so this is a bill that I put on. It's called One Alliance. And here you have several choices to watch. TV listings, on demand, sports. You can watch comedy, fitness, your personal favorites. You can watch cartoons, add-ons, reality shows, TV shows, movies, TV listings, live sports. Yep, you can stream live sports on here. Fitness. So I'm going to go back to the home page. Boom. So there you have it. Now you know how to do it. Just remember, first thing, connect the HDMI port in back of your TV. Then connect the power cord. Connect the HDMI port to your smart TV box. Then connect it to the back of your TV. Then connect the power cord. Then adjust settings. And after you adjust settings, you're ready to roll. Enjoy your new Android Smart TV box and holla back at Intellitek Company through this website. See you later.